Now the focus now for the Jamaica Boxing Board of Control, JBBC, is to get more females involved in the sport for 2023. Leroy Brown, who is the General Secretary of the local association, says they want to increase the participation at the secondary level.
Boxing in the schools. And we have some teasers out, and some headmasters and headmistresses have responded. And there are some youngsters. We're very optimistic about next year. And we think that, you know, a few schools have already exercised their thing and said, look, we are interested, we're going to ride with you.
The local governing body is also using a boxing event to attract persons to the ring.
We're trying to do this primarily at the moment through young programs that we have, the Gloves Over Guns program, which goes particularly in the inner city areas and recruiting youngsters. And we're paying a lot of attention to trying to get women, or should I say young girls at the moment. And the Gloves Over Guns program is going very, very well.
Now, 2 females and 3 males represented Jamaica at the Caribbean Boxing Championships in Roseau, Dominica recently. The females won 1 gold and a silver, while Jasmine Graham won the award for the best female novice boxer.